Hi, everyone. At Highlights, we believe that learning happens at every turn in every classroom of life. In the summer, one really wonderful classroom for kids is the outdoors. Welcome back to Highlights at Home, where the theme for this new collection of free digital Fun with a Purpose resources is Blaze a Trail. We're hoping this theme will send you and your kids outdoors for some fun, exploration, and some exercise. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm feeling a little bit like a woodland creature, finally ready to venture outdoors after a long season of hibernation inside. Just like the squirrel family in our hidden pictures puzzle here, your family may be ready to go outside and have a jaunt. You might even pack a picnic lunch just as Mama Squirrel did. Before you head out, check out our craft suggestion here. You know how kids love to grab sticks to walk with when you take a hike? Well, they might really enjoy walking with a stick if it's a walking stick they've made themselves. And if you're lucky enough to blaze a trail in a quiet woods or in a peaceful park, you might urge your kids to make it a meditative walk and focus on listening to all the sounds of nature. But if that won't work for your crew, you can add some structure to the walk by urging them to look for things big and small, just as the beloved Highlights characters Tex and Indy did in the story we've included in this pack-up. We've also included a list of 20 really wonderful ideas of things you and your family can do outdoors to connect with nature. One suggestion here is to gather rocks and paint them. We urge you to think about painting those rocks and adding messages of kindness and encouragement, and hiding the rocks around the community for others to find. I think we can agree that right now, when so many in our communities are hurting, this is a wonderful way to lift someone's spirits. It's a small thing your kids can do to help make the world a better place. From all of us at Highlights, stay healthy, stay hopeful. We'll be back in a few days with more free resources. Take care.
Hey parents, find more great videos on Highlights for Grown-ups, the channel that helps you help your kids be their best selves.